Okay.
Hello, this is she's very nice. What's your name?
My name is Idaloo.
Idaloo. Okay.
Idaloo, yeah.
You're gonna show us how to use your...
Okay, so this is a cafe where you also can wash your clothes. My name is Idaloo.
Idaloo. Okay.
Idaloo, yeah.
You're gonna show us how to use your...
Okay, so this is a cafe where you also can wash your clothes.
Uh-huh.
So you just pick some washing machines. And
I just paid you, right? And how
Yes.
much was it?
50 for one washer and then 50 for a dryer.
Okay, good.
Yeah. Then so you just
pick
take,
anyone.
You can just take this one.
Okay.
Then you open it. Then you put your clothes inside. And then you just take one scoop of this and put it inside. And then it's ready to wash.
That's it.
That's it. Yeah.
And then for the dryer?
The dryer, it's also just put it inside and then just click start.
Okay.
Then you can also do if it's very wet or very dry, then you can like customize it.
So those are 3 buttons over there?
Yeah, there's 3 different, yeah.
So which one gives you more heat?
I think if it's very wet, I haven't tried it actually, but then you just click this and then you click start.
On start. And that one just click what?
Then you can also like, okay, then you also just like click start. So it can be 40 degrees and 60 degrees.
Which one washes fastest?
It's same, I think it's 1.5 hours or something.
What?
Or 1 hour.
I better start. I don't have time. About another fun fact about Denmark is that there's no Uber here. Once you whip out your app and try to hail an Uber, you would see this no cars available. There's a story behind that. The rules, some laws were enacted here in Denmark, and based on those laws, Uber actually got out of Denmark. So there's no Uber here. You have to take a taxi, a bus, or a train, or of course a bicycle. Denmark is called a cyclist paradise. A lot of people use bicycles here, and electric scooters. I think I saw a few of them, electric scooters, and they do have the regular taxis and trains and buses. But Copenhagen, the city in which we are in right now, is a very walkable city. That means you can actually walk anywhere. But no Uber, take note. There is another app-based taxi service which is called Viggo. I've not used it yet. Perhaps I'll try it out. Okay, so I'm in a Viggo app ride. It's just like Uber, and it's cool. So when you come to Copenhagen, you can always use Viggo instead of Uber. So Viggo is the way to go, and it looks like it's cheaper than the regular taxis.